The amazing Santa Monica Pier, the food, the rides, the scenery, and the excitement. This place can be anything from a relaxing visit to an exciting and fun adventure. Come on, guys, let's check it out. Hey, I'm Michael, and welcome to Cruise Control. If you want to get the most out of your vacation, we invite you to subscribe and come be a part of our travel family right here at Cruise Control. Okay, now, how we got here was two Tennessee boys just getting off a cruise on the sweet Carnival Panorama. We decided to stick around a little while and check things out. We picked up a Beamer at LAX and headed straight for the coast. The Santa Monica Pier was our very first stop. My first impression was, wow, I didn't realize how big this place really was. The Santa Monica Pier first opened in September of 1909, making this place well over 100 years old. The carousel was built in 1922, featuring 44 hand-carved horses, and was later rebuilt in 1990. The Santa Monica Pier has been used as a filming location for many TV shows and movies, including The Sting, Bean, A Night at the Roxbury, Falling Down, Ruthless People, Hannah Montana, Iron Man, Forrest Gump, and many more. There's actually a Bubba Gump's restaurant right here at the pier. The Pacific Park area is somewhat of an amusement park right here on the pier, with a roller coaster, a Ferris wheel, and other rides. Now, as for food, there's plenty to choose from here. There's ice cream, hamburger restaurants, hot dogs, nachos, and the best churros I have ever had, ever, and they're huge. There are lots of food vendors also, and let me tell you, the food looked and smelled delicious. Now, for us, however, we decided to venture on out a little further on the pier and have dinner there at a Mexican restaurant, and the food was really good. You couldn't ask for a better atmosphere. I mean, how often do you get to sit and have dinner right there on the pier overlooking the ocean with such an amazing view? We did see a few things that I didn't quite expect to see. One thing was, just seeing cars on the pier, but that's kind of how big it is. I've never seen that before. Now, the seagulls, yes, that's to be expected, but now if you got your hamburger and your fries, you better watch around those birds because they are not shy and they will help themselves. Now, for some reason on this day, there was like money floating in the water and no one really knew why. Perhaps someone was making change and the money blew away. I don't know. There are several other attractions here, including games and fishing. Now, if you like to fish. And of course, my favorite of all is still going to be the ocean itself. And wow, what a beautiful beach. We were here just about the time of the tide coming in, and oh, it was just so relaxing just to watch and hear. Oh my goodness. As for us, we did have a lot of fun here and got to see so much. But we did soon have to say goodbye as we had reservations at the Roosevelt Hotel on Hollywood Boulevard to spend the night in Hollywood. Yeah, wow, that's a whole different kind of fun with a few things we didn't see coming. Now, that video is coming up next, so be sure you are subscribed. Again, my name is Michael. How about a thumbs up? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.